In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove objects from photos using Canva AI. So start by opening up Canva and upload your image in your canvas, or you can also select one from your design. Now select your image and click on the edit button at the top toolbar. And here under Magic Studio, look for a tool called Magic Eraser and click on it. First, select brush and highlight the area or brush over the object that you want to remove. Then click on the erase button. Canva AI will then automatically remove the object and fill in the background. Also, refine the result if needed. You can adjust the lighting, use filters, or reapply the tool for a cleaner finish. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!